YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Before we get in today's video real quick, y'all want to hear something crazy? I couldn't believe this when I saw this, man. I looked at my analytics and it turns out that over the last 20 days, more than 90% of you watching my videos are not subscribed. That's wild. Over 91% of you watching the videos are not subscribed. So statistically speaking, you're probably not subscribed. And since you aren't, go ahead and hit that red button, man. Watch the rest of the video. Watch some more videos like this, and you guys will see why it's a good time to join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. But that is it, man. Let's get into the video, man. So today, finally, you know what I mean, June 17th, after many pushbacks all the way back to the beginning of the year. It was supposed to be before Easter, then it was pushed back to after Easter, then it was pushed back to July 4th. Or was it July 4th, I think? Yeah, then it was later in July. Then it was pushed up to June 2nd. Then it was pushed back to like June 11th or something. And then today, on June 17th, we got, or are getting, I should say, the Jordan 6 Hare. I guess by the time you're seeing this video, got the Jordan 6 Hare. Let me know down below in the comments if you got a pair, if you hit on sneakers, where you hit on, if you picked them up in store. Me personally, I was able to hit a raffle in Eblin's, and we are going to go pick those up today. So I'm going to put on, I actually don't have them near me right now, but you guys that have been around know that I have my camera glasses that I wear when I go do pickups. So I'm going to put those on, and you guys can come with me to pick those up.
Alright, YouTube, so before we go out, you know what I'm saying, I always got to figure out what kicks I'm going to wear. And since we're picking up sixes, I'm going to go down here and grab some sixes. I'm going to grab my denim sixes, actually. Haven't worn these in a while, you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to put these on, and we're going to head out to get some sixes and some sixes. Alright, y'all, so we have arrived at Eblin's. As you can see, it's all boarded up, but it says that they're open. I guess they're just protecting for, you know what I'm saying, everything that's going on in the world right now. They got it boarded up, so it's harder to get in there. But let me put this mask on, and we are gonna head into the store. Let me get my phone, got my wallet, boom. Alright, let's go pick these things up. Okay, YouTube, so I don't know if y'all can hear me right now because it's kind of loud out here, but that actually took forever. I was in the store just now for an hour and a half because the store opens up at 9:30, but the mall store, so this store, Eblin's, I don't know how many of you heard of it, is a store that's usually in malls, but this is a standalone, and all of the mall stores don't open till 11. So they had a block on the cash register that wouldn't let them open until 11 o'clock. So it wouldn't let them sell the shoes before 11 o'clock. So that's why I had to wait so long to get them. But we got them. We're going to head home. I'm going to head home. This parking lot's small. I'm not going to do the on foot here. Also, it's a 6, so it takes a lot to lace a 6 properly. But we're going to get home and handle that.
Alright, YouTube. So as you can see, that was a little weird for a couple reasons. One, when I went to the store, as you can see, I thought it was closed. And yeah, someone actually yelled out to me from the car and asked me if they were open. And it had a big sign on it that said we're open. And I went in there and I heard someone ask them like, yo, what's up with the boards? And obviously with everything that's going on in the country right now, they're just trying to protect themselves from looters as much as possible, especially in the city that store's in. It's weird because most Eblin's are in malls. So it's just weird to see them have to adapt to that type of atmosphere because, like I said, most of them are in malls, but the one I happened to hit at was a standalone. Speaking of most of them being in malls, another reason why it was a really weird pickup was because that store opened, I'm on the East Coast, opened at 9:30 a.m. 9:30 in the morning. Obviously, the sneaker doesn't drop on Sneakers app until 10 and everywhere else until 10 Eastern Standard Time. But these the store opened at 9:30, so I got there, tried to check out, and the cash register wasn't working. And the cash register actually wouldn't check out until 11 a.m. And the reason why I wouldn't check out until 11 a.m. is because, like I said, most Eblin's are in malls, and yeah, Most of them are in malls, so the mall's open at 11 o'clock. But that's enough talking, man. Let's look at the sneaker right here, man. Bam. So I'm going to leave the description down below, or leave the link down below in the description. I already did do a review on these. It wasn't my personal pair, but these right here are a personal pair. So let's read the size tag right here. We got the Air Jordan 6 Retro. The colorway is neutral gray, black, and white. And I actually don't even know where the black comes from in the colorway, but it is what it is. You guys can see the carrot on the box. Presentation is key. Also got the Jumpman down in the corner. Presentation is not everything, but a big part of sneakers to me. We're gonna open the box, and you can see right there the Hare pattern, the nice 90s Hare pattern paper. You're gonna pull that back. You're gonna pull it back again, and then you got white paper. And then once we get through the white paper, bam, I'm gonna take out the left shoe because that's what comes out first. Once again, if you guys get a real pair of shoes, your left sneaker is going to come out first. And here it is, the Jordan 6 Hare. Really, really excited to have these in hand. I'm going to do an on foot for you guys today. Didn't do an on foot at the store for two reasons. One, it's just, like I said, it's a standalone store, so it's a small kind of cramped parking lot. And then number two, it's a Jordan 6. Takes a while to lace. I'm actually going to do a lacing tutorial on Jordan 6s for y'all. Probably not tomorrow, but it might come out Friday. So stay tuned for that. And I'm also going to put my sole protector on here because it's white and you do have these translucent pod areas of translucent reds. But quick overview of the shoe. Like I said, I did a review on it before, but you got your white leather on the upper, overlaying this nice gray suede, which once again is going to be scuff city, so be careful. Don't wear these into crowds. Make sure that you put your waterproof and stain protector on there, whatever you put on there. Definitely a shoe to take advantage of any type of stain proofer that you can get your hands on. I recommend GOAT Shoe Care. You got your orange carrot lace lock, then you got your red lace covering right there. But yeah, that's it, man. I'm gonna give you guys an on foot, and then we'll get back to the video. So as you guys saw in the offer, man, I did have my protector on there. You can't see it right now. I just edited it in, and I did change the lacing on there. Like I said, there will be a upcoming tutorial on how I lace my Jordan 6s because it is one of the most difficult Jordans to lace properly so that they look good. But that is it for this video, you guys, man. Let me know what you think of this style of video. I'm super excited to have these in hand. Who picked these up? Just hit me, man. The purple Jumpman on the back is a nice touch. Once again, just beautiful shoe. One of my favorite Jordan releases of the year. Been waiting for it for a while since they announced it in 2019. So happy to have it in hand. Add it to the collection. Add it to the rotation, man. Let me know down in the description, not in the description, down below in the comments what you think about the Jordan 6 Hare. Did you get a pair? Would you pay resale for a pair? Where did you get your pair? What do you think? That is it for this video, man. I am the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Make sure if you are new here that you hit that subscribe button, man. More than 90% of you are not subscribed. We're right around 527 subscribers right now, I believe, at the time of recording this, man. But once again, just gonna say it one more time, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. You're gonna miss a lot of good content, man. 90% is a huge number. Also, make sure that you smash that like button, man. Helps the video get shown to you, to others, to new people. Like that 90% of new people helps the video get shown to them. Last but not least, follow my Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. You get a lot of information there. First, posted about these earlier today. Posted about my weight in the store. I actually posted about when I got them in hand. What was it, a week ago, like a week and a half ago now. So I've talked about these already on there. But that is it for this one, man. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.